Have you ever wondered why your morning drink matters when it comes to your health? Well, it's more than just a wake-me-up ritual. Starting your day with a healthy beverage can make a significant difference in how your body functions throughout the day. Imagine revving up your car engine each morning, preparing it for the journey ahead. That's exactly what a nutritious morning drink does for your body. It kickstarts your metabolism, which, in turn, helps your body burn calories more efficiently. Moreover, a good morning drink aids in digestion, setting the stage for a smooth digestive process for the rest of the day. It's like a gentle nudge to your digestive system saying, hey, it's time to get to work. And let's not forget about the essential nutrients. A well-chosen morning beverage can be packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and even fiber, providing a substantial part of your daily nutrient intake. So let's dive into some of the healthiest morning drinks you can easily make at home. First up, we have the ever-popular green tea. This is a simple brew that requires just 2 ingredients, water and green tea leaves. Now why green tea? It's chock full of antioxidants known as catechins, which are thought to fight inflammation and help protect your heart. Not to mention, green tea is a great ally for weight loss, as it can boost your metabolism. It's a refreshing way to kickstart your day. So, for an antioxidant boost, consider starting your day with green tea. Next on the list is a simple yet powerful drink, lemon water. All you need is a fresh lemon and a glass of water. Just squeeze half a lemon into the water and your drink is ready. Lemon water is a fantastic way to kickstart your digestion in the morning. It keeps you hydrated, and the lemon provides a healthy dose of vitamin C. It's like a morning tonic for your body. For a refreshing, vitamin-rich start to your day, try lemon water. Third, we have the potent apple cider vinegar. This is not just a pantry staple, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. To prepare, simply mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of it into a glass of warm water. Drink this first thing in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Apple cider vinegar aids in weight loss, helps control blood sugar levels, and improves gut health by promoting healthy bacteria. So if you're looking for a drink with multiple health benefits, apple cider vinegar could be the one. Next we bring you the warmth of ginger tea. This invigorating brew is made by steeping fresh ginger root in boiling water, creating a soothing elixir that's both spicy and sweet. Ginger tea is a real powerhouse, offering digestive relief, reducing inflammation, and bolstering your immune system. When it comes to nourishing your body, it's a real game changer. Plus, it's easy to make, right in your own kitchen. For a warming, health-boosting start to your day, consider ginger tea. Fifth on our list is the golden turmeric milk. A delightfully warm and soothing drink, turmeric milk is simple to prepare. Heat up some milk and stir in a teaspoon of turmeric. The primary component of turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that promotes radiant skin and boosts immune function. It's also been linked to improved brain function. This golden drink is not only tasty but packed with health benefits. To add a touch of gold to your mornings, try turmeric milk. Next, we have the vibrant beetroot juice. This delightful concoction is simple to whip up, requiring just fresh beets, water, and a touch of lemon for zing. Beetroot is renowned for its high antioxidant content, helping to combat harmful free radicals in your body. But that's not all. This crimson elixir also boasts benefits for heart health and blood pressure, thanks to naturally occurring nitrates. So, for a nutrient-packed start to your day, consider beetroot juice. Eighth on our list is the refreshing aloe vera juice. Simple to prepare, this invigorating drink involves blending aloe vera gel with water, then straining to remove pulp. The result? A hydrating beverage packed with nutrients. Aloe vera juice is known for enhancing skin health, thanks to its rich supply of antioxidants and vitamins. It's also highly beneficial for our digestive system, assisting in cleansing and soothing. So if you're looking for a refreshing and health-boosting drink, aloe vera juice could be the one. Next we bring you the nutrient-dense chia seed water. This simple yet power-packed drink is made by soaking chia seeds in water overnight. Come morning, you'll have a gel-like substance that's brimming with fiber. Chia seed water is known for promoting healthy digestion, thanks to its high fiber content. It also aids in weight loss by keeping you feeling full for longer periods. So if you're looking for a way to kickstart your day with a fiber punch, chia seed water has got you covered. For a fiber-rich start to your day, consider chia seed water. 10th on our list is the green powerhouse Wheatgrass Juice. This vibrant elixir can be easily prepared at home by juicing fresh wheatgrass shoots. Packed to the brim with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, it's a potent ally for your immune system. But that's not all. Wheatgrass juice is also known for its detoxifying properties, helping to cleanse your body from the inside out. For a nutrient-packed, detoxifying start to your day, try Wheatgrass Juice. Last but not least, we have the tropical coconut water. This refreshing beverage is more than just a tasty treat. It's a powerhouse of hydration, perfect for kickstarting your morning. Packed with potassium, it helps maintain electrolyte balance and supports heart health. It's also a gentle aid to digestion, making it a great choice after a good breakfast. Coconut water can truly make your mornings brighter, healthier, and more invigorating. For a tropical, hydrating start to your day, consider coconut water. So there you have it, 11 of the healthiest morning drinks you can easily prepare at home. From green tea, packed with antioxidants that boost your immune system, to refreshing lemon water that aids in digestion. We also discussed apple cider vinegar, a potent detoxifier, and ginger tea, perfect for soothing inflammation. We then moved on to turmeric milk, a powerhouse of antiviral properties, and the nutrient-rich beetroot juice. Aloe Vera juice came next, known for its hydrating and skin-cleansing virtues, followed by chia seed water, a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Wheatgrass juice, abundant in vitamins and minerals, and the hydrating coconut water rounded off our list. Each of these drinks has unique benefits, and incorporating them into your morning routine can have a significant impact on your overall health. Remember, a healthy morning drink can set the tone for the day, so choose wisely and stay healthy.